Want to publish your book on Amazon? Here's how to create your Amazon KDP account. First of all, open your browser and go to kdp.amazon.com. Then click on the Join KDP button if you don't already have an account, or sign in if you do. If you already have an account, simply sign in. You don't, if you don't, click create your Amazon account, enter your name, email, password, and re-enter your password again. Then click create your KDP account. Once signed in, you will be asked to fill out your KDP account details. This includes your tax information, payment method, and publishing rights. Select the appropriate options and click save and continue. Once everything is filled out, click complete registration. Now your KDP account is ready to start publishing books. From here, you can start uploading your books. Just click create a new title to get started. That's it. You have now KDP account to start publishing your work. Like and subscribe for more publishing tips. Thanks for watching.